One day, she'll have a car of her own, and there's a few things she'll need to know. Checking the engine oil is one of the most important. Before you get started, the engine needs to be cold, or at least turned off for 5 minutes for a petrol car or 10 minutes for a diesel. You find the dipstick in the engine bay, the one with the yellow handle. That's it. There's a few places it could be depending on the car, but it's usually fairly obvious. Pull out the dipstick and give it a wipe with a clean cloth or paper towel. On the dipstick you can see indicators for the minimum and maximum levels. It's vital you have the right amount. Too much or too little and your engine could be in trouble. To add oil, just twist the cap off the oil tank and pour the fresh oil in gradually, using a brand approved by Suzuki. Keep checking the dipstick until you hit the right level. You got it. And remember, it's a good idea to have your oil and oil filter changed regularly at your Suzuki Service Centre.